Black Friday starts tomorrow at midnight and we have plenty of deals lined up for you. We are highlighting 3 of our mini PCs perfect for the office environment. With the DroiX CK1 you have a choice of high performance Intel i5 or i7 processors with up to 32 gigs of RAM and 1TB of fast storage. The DroiX Proteus 10 features a 10th gen Intel i5 processor with choices up to 32 gigs of RAM and 1TB SSD. The DroiX Proteus G4 and G7 mini PCs have an Intel i5 and i7 processor respectively. You can configure your mini PC with a choice of 16 or 32 gigs of RAM and up to 1TB of SSD. Visit droix.co.uk or follow the link in the description for the Black Friday page. Sign up to our newsletter and get a free shipping code for UK orders.